On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity problem easily and fast. All what you wanna do guys to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open your Instagram and then click on the edit profile option. And then you have to remove any link if you have on your bio. Click confirm. After you remove the link that you have on your bio, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on the settings, click on this help option, go to the top here, click on report a problem, and then click on report problem without shaking. After that, now on this page you have to send an email to the Instagram support team, and as always you have to be kind and explain the problem briefly. For example, like this: I have a problem. It says, for example, it say to me that as a certain activity like this, and just continue writing and click next. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.